What's good? My name is Giovanni Luis, the most unreliable, inconsistent mess of a YouTuber of all time. If you're somewhat curious about my absence on YouTube, I've been chilling, big chilling. Matter of fact, fat chilling. Finished all my college applications. Basically, at this point, I'm just waiting for the rejection letters. And it's at times like these where I realize that I should have probably spent my college application money on clothes. But on some real shit, thank you for every single one of you guys who has not unsubscribed yet. You guys are all real ones. I got a bunch of love for y'all. Anyway, on to the video. This series here is inspired by a meme from way back in the day. I don't know if y'all remember. If you do, that meme, amazing. One of the best memes of all time. I just keep thinking of Arthur wearing a Gucci shirt. There's endless amounts of styles, you know, some of which you guys may like, some of which you guys would never see yourself rocking. So really my goal here is to kind of explore these new styles. So I thought for the first episode, I would start with the godly, mid-crisis, white, middle-aged family dad look. Alright y'all, we're on to the next portion of the video where I, find my inspiration, to be able to conceptualize an outfit from the colors to the cut. So essentially, I'm gonna take you guys through my Instagram Explore page. First thing I see Joe Budden with his girl. Shout out to Joe Budden, he just had a kid. All I've really found so far is videos of Lil Pump smoking. So I've come across Fashion Dads _. Now this page right here seems to have all the inspo I need. I don't know what dude's trying to do here with the very tapered denim with the Uggs. That's not the look, but I do like the flannel. I do like the authenticity in this fit. Like, follow me real quick. Luis.z, follow me real quick. Now this dad right here, I just see a floating head. I don't know about y'all, that's just what I see in my eyes. Ooh, this man killed it. Now I don't wanna go off, but this man went off. You got stripes on the top, you got stripes on the bottoms, you got stripes on the footwear. This man definitely thought out his fit. He was probably listening to some Playboy Cardi in the morning, putting on this fit. Oh man, shout out to this guy pulling it off with a double fanny pack. Woo! We got Barack Obama in the cut here with the golf outfit here. The colors here very white, very beige, nothing too dark, but he does have that little bit of contrast with that black belt. I dig this fit right here. Obama, you are ahead of your time. Ooh, this fit right here, y'all see this? Y'all see this? This fit right here, super dope. Confidence, this speaks confidence. And all right guys, that is enough of inspiration. I feel like I got enough knowledge here. So for the footwear, initially I was aiming for some traditional New Balances. Obviously shout out to Steve Jobs, but I truly didn't feel like New Balances represented mid-crisis well enough, so I caught some all-white, bulky Reeboks. Definitely speak out mid-crisis in my opinion. Instantly, for the bottoms, I knew it was either going to be some wide-legged beige trousers or some cargo shorts. But let's be fair, cargo shorts straight up speak father of four. These cargo shorts weren't really the move for the really chilly weather, but I still had to do it to them. Now for the top, I kept it very simple. After scrolling through various Instagram dad inspiration pics, I realized that the polo is genuinely the wave for this divorced fathers in general. This one here being from Acne Studios. For all the other extra stuff, I kept it very minimal with the long white socks. Not gonna front, these hoes definitely look clean with Reeboks. I also had the belt strapped up high and conventional enough for me to be able to stunt on them females on Christian Mingle. How could I forget though, the cap, which I kind of threw on last minute. It's actually a Travis Scott merch cap, so maybe I'm a dad who listens to Travis Scott to cope with my midlife crisis. Who knows? But that's a fit. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like the video, leave a like.